That $30,000 car, it actually costs $48,000. Dealers pray you never calculate this. Here's what they're hiding in 2026. Total cost of ownership isn't on the window sticker, but it's the only number that matters. It's purchase price plus insurance, gas, maintenance, repairs, and depreciation over 5 years. Let me expose the 5 hidden cost bombs that destroy your budget. Number 1. Depreciation eats 20 to 30% of your car's value the second you drive off the lot. A $40,000 truck becomes a $28,000 truck in year 1. That's 12 grand gone. But here's the insider move. Certified pre-owned from 2024 or 2025. Someone else ate that depreciation bomb. You get the warranty without the bloodbath. Number 2. Insurance rates in 2026 are absolutely insane, especially for new cars. That sporty sedan, $2,000 a year. The practical Honda Accord, $900 a year. Over 5 years, that's an $1,100 annual difference. $5,500 total. Pro move. Get insurance quotes before you buy, not after you sign. This saves thousands. Number 3. Fuel costs are the silent killer, especially in 2026 with gas volatility. 15,000 miles a year in an SUV getting 20 mpg, that's 750 gallons. At $4 a gallon, you're spending $3,000 annually. 15 grand over 5 years. Compare that to a hybrid getting 45 mpg. You're cutting fuel costs by 55%. That's $8,000 back in your pocket. Enough for a vacation every single year. Number 4, maintenance and repairs. This is where luxury brands absolutely destroy your wallet. A Toyota costs about $500 a year to maintain. A BMW, $1,500 a year minimum. That's $5,000 extra over 5 years. And we haven't even talked about major repairs. Dealer trick. They sell you extended warranties for cars that don't need them. If you're buying a reliable brand with great warranty coverage, skip the upsell. Bank that cash. Number 5, registration, taxes, and fees. These vary wildly by state in 2026. Some states charge based on value. A $40,000 car in Virginia, $1,800 annually. That same car in Montana, under $200. Location matters more than you think. Now let's calculate real TCO on a popular 2026 purchase. Ford F-150, $50,000 purchase price. Most popular truck in America right now. 5-year depreciation, $22,000. Insurance, $10,000. Fuel, $18,000. Maintenance, $4,000. Registration and fees, $3,500. Total 5-year cost of ownership, $57,500. You paid $50, but it actually cost you $57,500. That's the truth dealers hide. Here's how smart buyers win in 2026. Compare TCO, not just sticker price. A cheaper car with terrible MPG and high insurance can cost more than a pricier efficient car. Use online TCO calculators before you shop. Edmunds and Kelley Blue Book both have them. Factor in your actual driving habits. 15,000 miles yearly versus 30,000 changes everything. Consider certified pre-owned from 2024. Best value play in the current market. The lowest payment isn't the best deal. The lowest total cost of ownership is. Remember that. Dealers make money when you focus on payment. You make money when you focus on TCO. Quick recap. Depreciation hits hardest in year 1. Insurance costs vary massively by vehicle choice. Fuel efficiency saves thousands over ownership period. Luxury brand maintenance costs triple your budget. Always calculate TCO before you negotiate anything. Save this video, share it with someone about to buy, and I'll see you in the next one.